Hey, it's 7 o'clock. You guys are burning daylight. I need you to go mop the floors and why don't you go wash the fire truck?
Hello, Captain. I'm the new firefighter recruit reporting for duty.
Hey, I'm glad you showed up. You're just in time. We have a customer that called in and needs some help with something. I was wondering if you could take a look at it.
Sure thing, Captain. Let me see how I can help him out today.
There's a weird sound in our house. There it is. Can you help us figure out what it is?
I'm not sure what that sound was. It almost sounded like a chirping bird. Captain, I think I know somebody that can help us. Hello.
Hi.
I have a problem that I'm needing some help with. I was wondering if you could help me. Tell me what you think this sound is. It almost sounds like a bird of some kind.
That doesn't sound like any bird I've ever heard. We have lots of different kinds of animals in the city of Edmond, and that wasn't one of them. The chirp sounds almost mechanical, like a device.
Wait, I think I know what it is. I bet a scientist will know what that sound is. Hey, Mr. Scientist. I hear that you are an expert at solving problems involving sounds, and I have a very unique sound that I need your help figuring out what it is.
You're right. I know many a unique sound. Was it this?
No, that's not what it is.
Is it this?
No, that's not it either.
Then it must be this.
No, that's definitely not what it is. Here, I have a video. Watch this.
I know exactly what that is.
Sorry, I gotta go.
Hey, wait. Hey, where you been all day? You're burning daylight. There's a fire to get to.
Captain, I was just...
Hop in, you're driving. Hey, you go talk to them. I'm gonna go inside.
Sure thing, Captain.
We're so glad that you're here. Our mom was making lunch, and then she started a fire. So we ran out and called 911.
Just food.
Hey, I know you guys. You sent the video in about the mysterious beep. Well, I've got some good news and some bad news. It sounds like it was just burnt food on the stove and your mom is safe. The bad news is I still don't know what that mysterious beeping sound was.
Hey, there's that beep sound again. It's at our house.
You guys stay outside and I'll figure out what that sound is. Hey, Captain, that sound is coming from inside the house. Can you help me find it? There it is. That's the sound. It's coming from the smoke alarm.
I think it's time I taught you a thing or two about the sounds of fire safety. The first was that chirping noise in the kid's video. It means that the batteries need to be replaced in the smoke alarm. We can check this smoke alarm by pushing this button. And that's the same exact sound you hear when there's fire or smoke inside your house. When you hear that sound, it's time to get outside and stay outside. Call 911, never go back in.
Wow. Okay, so if I take care of my smoke alarms, they'll take care of me. So when I hear a beep, I get on my feet. And if I hear a chirp, I make a change. But what's the last sound the smoke alarm makes?
It's silence. A dead smoke alarm battery means it won't work at all. And that means it can't alert you if there's a fire in your house. That could mean a dead battery or that the smoke alarm needs to be replaced. We need to change our batteries one time every year and replace the smoke alarm after 10 years.
Wait a minute. If that's a smoke alarm, what's that other one called?
This is a carbon monoxide alarm. A smoke alarm will pick up smoke, which you can see and smell. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless gas. Just one breath can kill you. You can test it just like a smoke alarm by pushing this button. It sounds like this. When you hear that sound, just like the smoke alarm, you got to get outside and stay outside. Call 911 and never go back in. If you live in a home that has a fireplace or gas appliances like a heater or oven or cooktop, then you need one of these carbon monoxide alarms.
Wow. Captain, I have learned so much about the sounds of fire safety today. I'm going to go tell those kids. Well, we figured out what that chirping sound was. It was actually coming from your smoke alarm. The chirping sound means that you have a low battery. So if you hear a chirp, make a change and change the battery. And if you hear a set of 3 continuous beeps, get on your feet. That means there's smoke or fire in your home. So if you hear a chirp, make a change. When you hear a beep, get on your feet.
Thank you for watching our video on the sounds of fire safety.
Please help us keep your family safe by testing your smoke alarms and sharing this video with everyone you know.
Remember, when you hear a chirp, make a change.
And when you hear a beep, get on your feet.
Stay safe, Edmund.